Welcome everyone. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So I'm at Godrej Ananda, the pavilion. This project is by Godrej Properties, spread across 20 acre of land. Project has got 1, 2 and a 3 bhk apartment. Construction, like phase 1 and phase 2 already sold out. That's the construction which is going on. Here we have phase 2 and phase 1 there, and phase 3 mostly it will be coming this side. Well, the reason why I'm making this video, just wanted to inform the buyers who are still looking out to buy a property or for investment in Godrej Ananda or in KIADB Aerospace Park. Hurry before the project gets sold out. So another new tower they have opened now. The first 3 towers are gone. Tower number H, J and K is gone. So they left with only 4 towers. In 4 towers, the new tower got open. So the possibilities are there, even that tower might get sold out today. If you're looking out for investment of 1, 2 and a 3 bhk apartment, this is your chance. Grab it, invest and wait for the appreciation. And if you're looking out for self-use, this is the like everyone are aware, KIADB is the only area where all the buyers are getting with attractive prices, even for the first time home buyers, right? Yeah. Pricing was I'm saying, everyone. And of course we have only top builders in KIADB as if now. We have Prestige sold out, Brigade sold out, Provident almost sold out. Godrej Ananda phase 1, phase 2 is sold out. Phase 3 they just launched about 1 week ago, and now almost like 30-40% of the inventories are gone. So we're left with only 60% inventories. I'm just calculating as per my calculation. But yes, so we only get the update by Monday how many inventories are gone and how soon they will start like taking the booking for another tower that they'll be opening shortly. Reaches everyone, this is the chance. Don't miss out. If you're interested, you can contact us. I'll tell you the tentative pricing. Starts from 49.99 lakhs for a 1 bhk excluding other charges. 2 bhk starts from 74.99 lakhs, and 3 bhk starts at 1 crore 9 lakh onwards. The prices are subject to change along with the inventory. So as of now, options we have. Yeah, hurry up everybody. That's it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're watching our video for first time. And the details what we have given in this video, it is only for information purpose. We'll be waiting for your call. If you are looking for more options, feel free to contact us or visit the site to know more.